This conference
Sure,
will now
let's
be
start.
recorded.
I'm sorry for my network issues. It's not in my hand. Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
it's
we
fine.
can hear.
Just go ahead.
guys, are you able? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Important thing in matrix chat is, suppose assume I have created a matrix chart here. Okay, so what is the matrix chart that I have created here? I have created a matrix chart. For this matrix chart, my criteria is I want to understand English product, category name wise sales amount. So suppose if I want to even understand within this category, so within the bikes category, definitely there will be some subcategories will be there. Say under bikes, so we have passion, we have pulsar, we have something else, different model. So those are comes under different sub products. So can I add sub product details also? Can I analyze sub product details as well along with the product name? So then yes, how? Simply try to select the sub product category name, so which is present under dim dim product sub dim product subcategory table. There is a column called English product subcategory column. Is it always we are going to select only one column in the x-axis or in the rows? No, not required. If you want to implement another column along with the column, so simply drag the product subcategory column and drop under rows. Try to see there will be some plus symbol will be added in the left side. See, the plus symbol got added. So when I extract this plus symbol, I'm able to see the data for this. So if you just try to understand here, under bikes, we have different subcategories are there. Okay, we have road bikes, we have mountain bikes, we have turning bikes. So what about each things, like, say for road bikes, this is the 14 billion is the sales amount value. For mountain bikes, 9 million is the sales amount values. Turning bikes, okay, 3 million is the sales amount values. So you can categorize something like this. Sometimes your client will expect your result not in this format, so in other format. Say, to do that, so simply there is something called a concept called stepped layout. What do you mean by stepped layout? We'll see. So under row headers, there is a concept called stepped layout. By default, the stepped layout is off. So suppose when you enable this, try to understand the difference. So this is called your stepped layout. So under product, this is the road bikes is a sub product, mountain bikes is a sub product, turning bikes are the sub product under a product called bikes. So this is called your stepped layout. So what do you mean by step layout? See, the term itself say it should be in a step format. It should be in a stepped format. So that is how it is called as a stepped layout. Suppose if your client is expecting the result in a stepped layout format, you have to come here under format, under row headers. You need to enable the stepped layout format. Suppose if you disable, your look and feel will be something like this. If you enable, your look and feel will be something like this. Got it? Are you
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Any questions till this point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I'll go to table chart. This is my table chart. Same kind of implementation. Okay. Suppose remove calendar here right now. So the same kind of subproduct category also I want to add here. We will see how it is going to be in terms of look and feel. Okay. Now, when I'm taking the same English product subcategory name under this, I will be able to see the result in this format. So that means in a table visual, you will not find the data in the hierarchical format. See, the bike's product name is repeating because under the single product, we have multiple subproducts. Under the single product, we have multiple subproducts. See, accessories. So under single product, you have multiple subproduct. It's in a table format. But guys, remember, when do we go for matrix chart or when do we go for table chart? It is very clear that when you want to display your report in a hierarchical manner, definitely it is always better to go for a matrix chart. Because the moment when I drag and drop another column into the matrix, the values area, automatically the plus symbol got enabled. See, let me select this visual. Suppose I'm removing this. Now there is no plus symbol because only one product category is there. So I'm able to see product category, product for bikes. This is the value. Suppose if I'm adding English product category name, then and there itself the plus symbol is going to be added. Plus symbol means it is maintaining in a hierarchical manner. It is maintaining in a hierarchical manner. Can I add one more column? Yes, you can. Suppose there is a column called product name, product English product name, which is present in the dim product table. So there is a column called English product name. Suppose if I'm adding something like this, see again, now let me go for a stepped layout for this. How to go for a stepped layout? Okay, simply go here and say row headers and say simply stepped layout off and stepped layout on. So suppose if you extract this, you will be able to see under bikes, road bikes, mountain bikes, turning bikes. Under again road bikes, these are the different products are there. See, so this is a kind of three-layer architecture, three-level hierarchy. See, bikes is a product, bikes is a category. Okay, road bikes is a subcategory. Under the subcategory, road 150 registered bikes is a product. So this is a kind of three-layer architecture. Okay, road bikes is a subcategory. Under the subcategory, road 150 is a product. Hello,
Yes, sir. We
guys, are
can
you
hear
able
you.
to hear me? I'm sorry, yaar, I can't help, man. I don't know exactly this time I'm facing issues, but entire day I'm not actually facing the issues. But anyway, if you see the result, so you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. We can see.
So if you see this, this is category. Okay, road bikes is a subcategory. Okay, and what about this road 150/48? It is a product. So that means under bikes category, under road bikes subcategory, road 150, road 150 is a road 150 is a or 150/48 is a product which is available under that. So if you want to understand or analyze your report in this way, anything related to hierarchical manner, always better to go for a matrix chart. So if again if you go for format and go to row headers, and if you go for a step layout on and off, so if I'm disabling step layout, your result looks like this. Under bikes, under road bikes, these are the things. So if you enable step layout, it is in a step layout format. Are you clear, guys? Any questions here?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. And the moment, see, suppose the moment when when you're placing other columns into the criteria, initially we have product category. After that, I have included the moment product subcategory and product name. You will be able to find some difference of adding these icons on the top or somewhere bottom. What do you mean by these icons? These icons will be treated as a drill through options or drill down options. What do you mean by drill down options? How it will work, what happens if I click on this, we will see now. Suppose I want to extract all at once bikes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm really sorry, man. So hope you're able to see, right, my screen.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
What I'm trying to tell you is when you are adding any other column, suppose if you select this particular thing, and what are the column criteria values for this, you have added not only single column, you have added subcategory and product name. So the moment you add more than one column as a column criteria in the x-axis or in the in one row area, automatically these options will get enabled. What are these options are going to be called as? These options are going to be called as a drill down options. What happened when I click on these options? Suppose under this report, I'm able to see categories as bikes, accessories, clothing. Under these categories, I have subcategories. Under the subcategories, I have a products. So I want to extract all the product categories, all the product subcategories, all the product names at one shot. Simply you're going to click here, expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Click here. See, one level. What do you mean by one level? Your first level will be, see, your first level will be, see, you have three levels here. So one is category is a first level. Then you have a subcategory is at a second level. Then under the subcategory you have a product name is in a third category. So if you want to see the values one level down, you are going to click this. Still it is, this option is enabled. Why? Because you have one more level of hierarchy. So again I want to go for that also. Simply click one more time here, so that for all the categories, it is not for a selected category, for all the categories. See, now again when I click on the third option second time, this option got grayed out, I mean disabled, because right now you have only three levels: category, subcategory, product name. So when you want to extract for all the categories, all the subcategories, you are going to utilize this drill through options, drill down options. So if you want to go back, you're going up. So this is called a drill up, drill up, one level up, one more level up. Yes. Now you are on the top level. So that means the option got disabled because you don't have anything more on top. So this is how see drill down option. That's about this option. So are you clear, guys, till this point? Drill down options.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, suppose when I click on a specific item, say bikes, it has to display that particular thing. So for that, what I have to do, I have to enable the drill down option. How to enable? Simply click on this drill down option. Now this drill down option is enabled. The moment if I click on bikes, I will be able to see only bikes. So I'm able to see anything else, anything else here? Nothing. Only bikes I'm able to see. What about the other things? Clothing components? It is, hiding. It is something that you're hiding this. Okay. So to do that kind of thing, so you need to enable the drill down option. See, go back. Okay. Suppose if I'm enabling this and if I'm clicking on clothing, I will be able to see only data related to clothing. The rest of the categories, bikes and accessories, will be gets hidden. I mean, it is going to be hidden. Okay, hidden. That's about the drill through options. Okay, suppose if I want to go back here. If you disable this and if you select this, now try to see the difference. You have disabled drill down see, you have disabled drill down option. Now click on bikes. You are able to see bikes and other categories along with these values also, along with accessories and also. But the difference is when you enable drill, suppose come back, when you enable this drill down option and when you're selecting bikes, only you will be able to see the bikes category, other categories will be gets hidden. So that is a difference. So guys, are you clear of these options?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Drill through, drill down options are very, very important. Okay. So again, so you know, right, this is, you know, going for one level down. And what about this one? Go to one next level in the hierarchy. If you click on this, next level will be product subcategories. Again, if you want to go for another level, you'll be able to see the another levels. You're understanding. See, I'm coming back here. Try to understand the difference here. See, I have three levels. Category level. Okay. Suppose if I click on this, go to the next level in the hierarchy. That means under bikes we have subcategories as a next level. So it will try to display subcategories of bikes, subcategories of accessories, subcategories of clothing. So click on this. See, these are the subcategories of bikes, cloths, and this thing. Suppose if you go for this again, these are the sub product names within that. So hope you understood all these four icons. This just second. If you want to go back, this arrow is important. You understood this icon, this icon, this icon, right? The same options are available under drill down options. So drill through, drill down, drill up. The same options, whatever you're performing here, the same kind of activity you can also implement by locating these options. So hope this is clear, guys. Any questions till this point? Shweta, Rupa, Naveen,
Clear, sir.
No,
Surya.
sir, it's clear.
Okay, yeah, try to spend some time in practicing that. So otherwise it is going to be really tough for you. Okay. So try to spend some time on each visualizations, each option, step layouts, matrix, slicers, multiple slicers, then you know, look and feel values. Okay, each and everything you have to design. Wait. Okay, you have to spend some time on practicing all these things. Okay, so that is the use of, you know, slicers, and where exactly we can if you go for this navigation, what happens. See, if I go for you know, where is the slicers? Yeah, if I go for this navigation, what happens? How can I increase my space? How can I, you know, utilize my space? All these things you can do this. Okay, try to spend some time in practicing, otherwise it is going to be really tough for you. Okay, so I'm holding here. So do you have any questions, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sweta, Naveen, Rupa, Surya, Vinod.
No, sir. Clear.
Any questions, guys? Okay.
No, clear, sir.